A total of 88,000 young people between 18 and 34 in the Western Cape have received a vaccine dose since Friday. In fact, health authorities say it recorded the highest number of vaccinations on that day, exceeding 50,000. The department says its single-minded focus now is to reach as many people as possible before the expected fourth wave of infections.
There is definitely a campaign to work with the education department to encourage all matriculants as they turn 18 or have passed 18 to be vaccinated. There's quite an importance of why we believe that should be done. Mostly, if it is done with 2 doses of Pfizer, there's sufficient time to get the first and the second dose of Pfizer prior to matric exams. Last year, there was significant impact on the matric exam because of the second wave. What we want to do is we want to protect matriculants as much as possible to have an uninterrupted matric exam situation towards the end of the year.
Vaccine hesitancy and the misinformation around COVID-19 vaccines remains a concern. Reducing pressure on hospitals, paramount in returning health services to non-COVID patients.
If you don't believe that, ask an auntie or someone who has been waiting for his operation but now cannot be able to be assisted. As for someone who has been waiting outside the queues, outside the health facilities, ask someone who will indicate that even my appointment for the doctor has been postponed because of the COVID, because we have to make sure that we realign our healthcare workers and also in terms of how we work.
Tackling misinformation and dispelling myths, specifically in areas with low vaccine uptake, is being prioritised.
There are also myths regarding fertility with vaccine administration, which are actually not true. Vaccines are safe in pregnancy. It's also safe during breastfeeding. The vaccine does not contain a tracer or a tracker or a microchip at all. And more and more evidence emerge about the safety of vaccines actually during pregnancy.
The department has granted healthcare workers 2 days of special leave as an act of appreciation for fighting the pandemic on the front line. Vanessa Puna, SABC News, Cape Town.